So you might be dealing with the incredible stress, fear, tension around, I just can't find work. You're hearing about this, you're living it perhaps, sending hundreds of job applications. There's nothing available locally, and it doesn't even matter what you're going for, right? Working at the grocery, DoorDash, even that's full in some areas. This is incredibly stressful. I wish I could wave a wand and make the jobs appear or make the situation change for you. But what we do want to do is give you a chance here to process some of the emotion around this. Because when that fear and stress accumulates, you can start to feel hopeless, start to feel like there's no options. You're convinced like any creativity in your mind that might be open to finding new solutions or ideas gets kind of compressed and shut down. So let's process through this a bit. We're going to do some EFT tapping here. Let's go to the side of the hand, repeating after me, even though this feels hopeless and it's scary and I might not know what to do because I need to work. I choose to be open to giving myself a little time right now to support myself emotionally and process some of these feelings. Even though this is really scary, it's getting very real, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do to work or make money or live. I'm open to giving myself this moment to support my mind and body and help some of these feelings relax and release. Even though I don't know exactly what to do here, it may feel like I've exhausted my options. And it's really scary. And I need to make money, and I don't know how right now. Even though I don't know exactly what to do about it. I choose to see the value in myself. That I'm worth taking these few minutes to support myself emotionally and physically. Let's going through the points now and say, this is really scary. It might feel like I've tried everything. And maybe in terms of what the common wisdom is, I have tried everything. I may have done everything I was told I was supposed to do. And it's not working. And this can be very emotional in itself. Like, wait a minute. This isn't what I was told. This isn't how things are supposed to work. Nobody seems to have any other ideas here. And I'm just letting myself feel. This can create a state of shock and confusion. And I'm validating how real this is for me right now. And as natural of a response as it is, for my mind and body to just keep racing. Okay, what do I do? How do I fix this? Allowing myself to feel what I'm feeling right now. Say, I need a moment to process this. I need a moment to feel through this all. And there might be other emotions that haven't had a chance. I may feel disappointed in myself or others. Anger, resentment, frustration. Confusion and fear. It's not about wallowing in these, but just feeling what my body's been carrying. Giving it this moment to do what it needs to do. To just release some of this burden. And I'm open to the idea that that's possible, even if I don't have a clear solution right now. I give my body and mind permission. And then, hey, if we give this moment to ourselves now, it's actually going to help us be able to see or connect to what solutions might exist that I don't see and maybe others don't see. I'm open to the possibility that part of what's going on here is things are changing so quickly. Life and the world are changing so quickly that nothing I've been taught, that my learned way of looking at things is just not working. But that could also mean that as it changes, things I can't even imagine, ideas and opportunities that I don't even think about, that I can't even see yet, could be part of what's changing. I'm allowing myself the possibility of hope, even if what I know isn't working. I allow myself the space and grace to at least entertain the idea that my value as a human being, that my worthiness as a life here on this planet is not actually determined by these economic factors. And yeah, that can sound flowery and sound like it's not going to pay the bills. But allowing myself to process and feel and connect to my own sense of worthiness and deserving. It has practical applications here. And I also deserve it in terms of my own physical and mental health. To say, I give myself these minutes of rest and processing here. These moments to feel what I'm feeling, to connect to possibility, even if it seems illogical, to question and look into my own innate worthiness, my innate value as a human. Just allowing myself to explore this further. And if anything else is coming up for me, or moving through my body, or I need to cry or vent or yell, wherever it's safe and okay to do that, I give myself permission to do just that. Okay, take a breath. Yeah, I know it's real, it's challenging. I do believe you will find a way through this. I do believe there's things that are way beyond what we can grasp and understand. And it's tough when the way we understand things, like people say, well, just go get a job. And you're like, I can't, right? It can feel like there's nothing else. Stay open, keep supporting yourself. If you have any questions, comments, please let me know. I hope this helps. Thanks very much.